Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an Amazon Flex debit card. First, download the Amazon Flex debit card app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon Flex account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. In the app, go to Direct Deposit or Rewards Details, then tap the banner that shows up. Tap Apply or create a new account. Then complete the registration by entering your personal information, verifying your ID, and accepting the terms. Once approved, you'll receive your digital card instantly and your physical card by mail. You can now start using it right away. And that's it. That's how to get an Amazon Flex debit card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.